Let me ask you, why should you pay for someone else's mistakes? Are you aware that the builder's warranty on your new home is about to expire? Did you know that if you don't notify your builder now of any issues the home has, you will lose your chance to do so forever? Of the new homes just like yours we've inspected, a few things we've found include electrical hazards, structural problems, HVAC problems, plumbing issues, roof leaks, and safety hazards, just to name a few. The homeowners had no idea of these issues. Why shouldn't the builder pay for the mistakes his crews made? When you get a builder's warranty from Inspections Over Coffee, they will. We have the knowledge, skills, and experience to conduct a complete, comprehensive inspection of your new home and develop a list of items wrong with the home so the builder can fix them for you. Don't let your time run out. Give us a call today at 602-962-5282 and get the peace of mind you deserve about the quality of your new home. Your home is more than just a structure. It's where you and your loved ones create memories. Ensuring your home is well built and safe is crucial, and the peace of mind you receive from a thorough builder's warranty inspection from Inspections Over Coffee is invaluable. You should never have to pay for someone else's mistakes. Call 602-962-5282 today or visit findmybuildersmistakes.com to schedule your builder's warranty inspection before your warranty expires.